Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so happy you guys are here. This is something that I've wanted to do for years and it's finally happening. So my name is Chelsey Smith and I'm the owner of Chelsey Smith Cosmetics. I am originally from Mandan, North Dakota, and I have had a long history in the beauty industry, honestly, from the age of 2 years old when I was stealing lipstick from my mom's purse to doing all my friends' hair and makeup for our 8th grade dances. It's always been something that I've always really loved. I did end up going to cosmetology school in Bismarck, and I then went into a freelance makeup artistry gig. I really loved that time with those brides, but then we moved from Minnesota to California and I really wanted to do something that was solely my own, hence the birth of Chelsey Smith Cosmetics. We initially started with lashes literally the day we moved into our house in California, and I knew we had an address. I was like, ship those babies. And we ended up really getting into this realm of social media, online selling, and wigs were the natural progression. My husband says that I am the queen of spare hair, from lashes to wigs. It's always interesting when I come home. He always tries to beat me home because he knows like what he saw me looking like during the day is not what he's going to see when I get home. It's gonna be
guess we married.
So let's do this. Step into my office. We started this business with lashes and dabbled into the world of cosmetics, and then when we jumped into wigs, that's when things really blew up for us. Thanks to social media, if you guys have been following Facebook in the early days, onto Instagram, and of course onto TikTok, we were able to start this business in a small room of my house, growing into this really big building that we are at now, which has been absolutely amazing. And we really feel like we have so much more to bring you guys in the realm of high quality synthetic wigs, wig care, wig accessories. Really, I feel like this is just the beginning. When we decided to create our YouTube channel, I really wanted Chelsey Smith Cosmetics to be a one-stop shop when it comes to all things wigs. Education, more in-depth tutorials. I'm kind of that 60-second queen, so we really wanted to have fuller length videos so you guys have something to access at all times. We want it to be for the new wig wearer and for the more seasoned wig wearer, coming here to answer all questions all about wigs. So if you guys are interested in learning more, make sure that you click subscribe, make sure you ring that bell for notifications, and then also make sure that you're following our other social media platforms to see what we're always up to. You know, it's a new thing every day, and I would love for you guys to comment below. Let me know what you guys think, what you're looking forward to. I can't wait to hear from you.